Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by removing the shell screws now. This is where you begin the repair, so don't delay. Use the correct tri-wing or 3/8 driver and keep screws organized. Once open, inspect the PCB for corrosion and note battery type. Most Game Boy cartridges use CR2025 or CR1616. You should lift the board by the edge to avoid bending traces. If corrosion is visible, prepare isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush. Otherwise, proceed to battery remove. Next, you remove the old battery and address any corrosion. This is the technical middle step. If the battery is soldered, heat joints with a soldering iron and wick away solder. If clipped, gently pry clips aside. Make sure you remember polarity marked plus and minus, because reversing it will harm the save chip. Once removed, clean contacts with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and a brush, then let everything dry. Prepare the replacement and position it precisely before reflowing. Finally, you reassemble and verify the fix so the game works long-term. Once the new battery is secured, trim and inspect solder joints, then reattach the PCB and close the shell, tightening screws evenly. Test the cartridge in your Game Boy, load a save and power cycle to confirm the save persists. If it fails, make sure polarity was correct and recheck solder connections. If problems remain, the backup IC or real-time clock may be damaged and need replacement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.